You are watching the latest edition of the Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Today's topic, what you can do for discolored or pigmented gums. There are thousands and thousands of people with this discolored gum problem. Now there is something you can do about it. My advice, stick around for the latest edition of the Wellness Hour.
The Wellness Hour, an in-depth discussion with today's top physicians and medical leaders. And now, your host, Randy Alvarez.
You're watching a special edition of the Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. My first guest is Dr. Alex Farnoosh. We have invited Dr. Farnoosh on the program today to discuss a treatment that is changing lives for the better. Dr. Farnoosh, welcome to the program.
Thank you for inviting me, Randy.
Now, before we get into today's topic, I want to talk about your credentials.
Sure.
And we'll have time to show your photos. And if you're just tuning in, the photos you're going to see are literally going to blow your mind. They're very, very good. Now, you have a DDS, a master's degree, a PhD
right.
In pathology.
That's right.
I've never met a dentist with these types of credentials. And so how does that help you in your practice, or does it?
As you know, to practice dentistry, basically the DDS degree, that would be sufficient. But
Okay.
what I've done, I received my master's degree and also oral pathology, and both degrees have helped me tremendously. It's a significant advantage for the detection or early detection of oral diseases and pathologic conditions in the mouth. As I'm sure you know,
Sure.
The mouth is a mirror, a reflection of entire body, what is going on inside the body. There are many papers coming out linking periodontal disease with systemic conditions.
Okay.
If you have periodontal disease, you are prone for cardiovascular disease, heart attack, you are prone for respiratory infection, osteoporosis, diabetic condition, even in women.
So that could be cleared up.
Absolutely. Once you eliminate the infection, because the damage is not only limited here, the damage will affect entire part of the body. My practice is limited to periodontics and dental implants.
Yeah, what is that, by the way? Periodontist and also cosmetic periodontist.
Cosmetic periodontal treatment.
Yeah, what does that mean?
What
does that mean?
Basically, periodontist is a dentist who specializes in prevention and treatment of a gum disease. In addition, we do dental implants.
Okay.
Now, I have a practice in Beverly Hills for the past 23 years, and the past 10 years, I've been concentrating on cosmetic periodontal surgery. I'm sure we talk about it later on. I've introduced a concept, what I would call the total smile. And that means in order to have an attractive, beautiful smile, you have to have beautiful teeth. You have to have a good-looking gum, pleasant-looking gum, and also the position of your lips, upper lips and the lower lip.
And how could you control that, the position of the lips?
The technique that I developed is not only address the issue to treat the discolored gum tissue, but also you have to look at the whole profile. So I look at the condition, the shape of the teeth, then the next issue, the background obviously, which is the gum tissue, the gums, and the position of the lip. I'm sure you have seen many people who have a high lip line. It shows.
Yeah, when they smile, it seems that
it shows
a lot of their gums show.
Absolutely.
And you're saying you can take care of that?
Absolutely. And
is that an easy one for you to take care of?
Well,
to eliminate this gummy smile.
The first patient I treated actually, that was 1998. I shared that with a number of plastic surgeons in Beverly Hills. In fact, Dr. Dorfman knows about it too. So what I'm going to do, the people who have really high lip line, just by repositioning maybe a few millimeters, it totally changes the color of the shape of a smile, to make their smile more beautiful, more attractive and more youngish looking. Has a tremendous impact. It's a minor issue, but the effect is incredible. Let me